This is Marissa. She's working as a technical writer on multiple parallel documentation projects. Frequently, she is asked to provide status for her content development. Marissa spends a substantial number of work hours providing updates to many different stakeholders in the program. But recently she started working in DX4 with Power BI. This means that customized content reports are being automatically generated and updated. And all this happens while she can focus on writing and improving content. Marissa's content reports can be shared with all the stakeholders. While she can focus on her own work, stakeholders can drill down into reports that can be tailored to show and filter exactly what they need. Want to know more about DX4? Visit us at dataexchange.com.